Hi, I'm Chris with Bulletproof Hitches, and today I want to show you the benefits of the Bulletproof anti-rattle clamp. Bulletproof hitches are manufactured to an extremely tight tolerance of plus or minus 0.10 of an inch. And as you can see, this 2-inch hitch is approximately 4.5 thousandths over 2 inches. However, vehicle receivers are not manufactured to the same tolerance. And if we take this hitch and place it into the receiver, we can see there's still a small amount of movement. Let me show you the benefits of the Bulletproof anti-rattle clamp and how to install it on the truck. The first step on installing the Bulletproof anti-rattle clamp is to install the anti-rattle clamp over the shank with the tab facing towards the vehicle receiver. Next, slide the hitch into the receiver and mount in place. Then install your Bulletproof locking pin. The next step is to hold the anti-rattle clamp against your vehicle's hitch receiver and thread the bolt until it touches the bottom of the receiver. Once the bolt is tight against the receiver, go ahead and make it tight with a wrench. Normally, 3 or 4 turns is sufficient. Once the bolt is tight, go ahead and tighten up the jam nut. Now, you can see that the anti-rattle clamp is in place and the Bulletproof hitch is solid. No more movement, no more wobble. For any more questions, give us a call or visit us at bulletproofhitches.com.